With the mountains to the west and a lake in their backyard, Peterson Machining has been in this Boulder location for the past 30 years, a location that surprises many who walk through the door of their 8,000 square foot facility.
And then they walk in the doors, and it looks like just a warehouse from outside. They walk in the doors and they see gigantic, very high-level machines. They don't expect that kind of capacity.
From the first machine to making space for their latest massive purchase. The goal at this AS9100D certified shop has always been to offer products to a variety of different industries in the least amount of space. Flexible automation allows this to happen, efficiently machining products throughout the day and night.
For us, we've always worked at applying those technologies so that one person actually is capable of way more.
The kind of equipment we have also allows us to create a lot of parts with a small amount of machines.
Increasing capacity with machines while eliminating the need for massive space.